Everyone, we are Group 8 and we're gonna talk about the retail communication mix. For the agenda, first is we need to identify the new media element. Second is identify the traditional element. Third is list the step involved in developing a communication program. For advertising, it is a paid communication delivered to a customer through non-personal mass media such as newspaper, television, radio, direct mail, and the internet. For the integrated marketing communication, IMC, it is a successful retailers use IMC to deliver a consistent message across all channels and element of the retail mix over time. For the online media, first is website. It is used to build brand image, share information, and improve search visibility to SEO. Next is email. It is used to send promotion, order confirmation, and shipping updates to specific customer. For the mobile marketing, it is a wireless handheld device such as cellular telephones. Examples are retailers using application to communicate with mobile phone users and send them message on the basis of their location or through apps. Next is social media. Social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook blogs, and Twitter enable retailers to share videos, posts, and discussion.
So my task today is to present the second part of the presentation. So first is the traditional media elements. So mass media advertising, like retailers use TV, newspaper, magazines, and direct mail for promotion. Radio and billboards, effective for targeting specific audiences with high loyalty to certain stations or local advertisements. Sales promotion. Sales promotion are special incentives or excitement building programs that encourage consumers to purchase a particular product or service. This includes coupons, rebates, premium offers, discounts, cashback, or free items to encourage customer purchase. These are like ginobra sa mga SM, mga malls, restaurants, and other retail shops that we go to usually. In-store marketing, design elements. So in-store marketing design elements, what is this? Retailers and vendors are focusing on in-store marketing design elements to influence customer purchase decisions, eye-catching point of purchase displays, merchandise samples, PR, personal selling, and special events can increase customer time in the store and their likelihood to buy. These strategies are key to enhancing the shopping experience and driving sales. Developing a communication program. Retailers set objectives, create a budget allocated resources, and evaluate program effectiveness, often using marginal analysis or rule of thumb method to optimize budget allocations. So this is our presentation, and thank you for listening.